Mahito is one of the primary antagonists of the Jujutsu Kaisen series. He is a cursed spirit allied with Suguru Geto, Jogo, Hanami, and several others. Their ultimate goal is the eradication of the humanity and ultimately replacing the population with cursed spirits. As described by Jujutsu sorcerers, Mahito is a human-looking cursed spirit with a patchwork face. He has light grey eyes and long grey hairs. Mahito has no sympathy for human lives and appears to place little value on even his own life. He is devoted to his cause, believing the reviving Sukuna is more important than his own well-being. As long as cursed spirits eventually reign supreme, Mahito does not care if he will be there to see it or not. Mahito is an unregistered special grade curse spirit that eclipses the power of the three Sukuna fingers. He is younger than Jogo and as a result is less experienced and not as powerful. Despite this, Mahito is far above what a special grade curse spirits would normally be. He has very high intelligence and an extremely dangerous curse technique. In one-on-one fight, he was able to overwhelm Grade 1 sorcerer Kento Nanami by rendering his curse technique useless. Following that fight, Nanami believed that Mahito has to be exorcised immediately or else he could grow into something too fearsome for Jujutsu High to handle. Mahito possesses very high intellectual powers, especially for a cursed spirit. He was accurately able to deduce that Jujutsu sorcerers were investigating him and was able to set a trap for his pursuers. Mahito can also summarize his opponent's skill level and even their curse technique after just a few exchanges. Mahito is exceptionally difficult to kill. He has very high intelligence and not only does his curse technique render physical attack meaningless, but even Mahito's soul is extremely resistant to damage. Nanami attempted to crush Mahito's body, but he even went through their entire battle without expressing that he felt any pain, even when he did landed the attack. Now let's talk about cursed energy manipulation technique that Mahito possesses. Mahito has a vast amount of cursed energy at his disposal, more so than even Sukuna's vessel after consuming 3 fingers. Mahito is able to use his cursed technique repeatedly without depleting his cursed energy. Only his domain expansion has used up significant enough amount of cursed energy to exhaust Mahito's reserve. Another technique that he uses is called as hyper regeneration. Due to his nature as a special grade cursed spirit, Mahito can easily reinforce his body with cursed energy in order to regenerate lost limbs in an instant. Regained limbs maintain the same integrity as the rest of the Mahito's body. This ability can be used in the combination with his innate technique in order to regenerate even faster. Another technique which he uses is called as Black Flash, a technique that creates a spatial distortion when a user connects with an impact of cursed energy within a span of 0.000001 second of a physical hit. The phenomenon causes cursed energy to flash back, creating an attack that is equal to a normal hit to the power of 2.5. Now let's take a look at his innate technique. First is Ideal Transfiguration. Mahito's curse technique grants him the ability to reshape souls. Doing so allowed him to disfigure the body of the victims, heal his own wounds, transform his appendages into weapons, and a limitless variety of other possible transformations. Currently, Mahito can even create a clone that may use Ideal Transfiguration on himself, but not on others. He used this technique in the latest episode of Jujutsu Kaisen, which was the episode number 9, where he reformed the shapes of the 3 kids sitting in the theater. Another innate technique is Soul Multiplicity. Mahito uses his curse technique to merge 2 or more souls together, which causes a reactant due to the rejection of the merge, Body Repel. By using the effect of Soul Multiplicity and increasing the soul's energy, Mahito directs the overwhelming output towards an opponent. Polymorphic Soul Isomer. Using Soul Multiplicity, Mahito can form the soul with weak rejection into one body. The result is the transfigured human that can attack Mahito's opponents on its own. A polymorphic soul isomer is more stable than a regular transfigured human, as it doesn't seem to be capable of randomly dying in mid-battle. One more and final innate technique that he used till now is Instant Spirit Body of Distorted Killing. When Mahito found out the true essence of his soul, he unlocked a new stronger body. When using it, Mahito is visibly more muscular and monstrous, bearing some resemblance to Hanami. In order to activate this form, Mahito has to rip his human face off. Currently, it is unknown that whether this form changes permanently or temporarily. Now let's take a look at 2 barrier techniques which Mahito uses. First barrier technique is curtain. Mahito can create a barrier that surrounds a certain area. The barrier is capable of sealing the area off to other people or a specific person wanted to get in. The second barrier technique is self-embodiment of perfection. Mahito's domain expansion creates an environment where he is automatically connected with the souls of anyone inside and is capable of transfiguring them at will. His control over the technique is flexible enough that, much like Satoru Gojo, he is capable of activating it for 0.2 seconds interval. So this was it. This was all about the barrier technique, curse energy, innate techniques that Mahito possesses till now. And I just completed watching the episode 9 of Jujutsu Kaisen and it was really fantastic. I am really loving the anime so far. So if you haven't watched Jujutsu Kaisen yet, you should do it right now. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.